Trying to decide between TinyHost and WordPress, while both help you get a website online, they are built for completely different purposes. In this video, I'll explain the key features and the key differences so you can decide and choose the right one. Introduction. TinyHost is a simple hosting platform for static websites and files, while WordPress is a full website building system that powers millions of websites worldwide. Let's compare them in the areas that matter most. Ease of use. TinyHost is incredibly simple. Just upload your HTML, CSS, JavaScript files, or even a PDF, and your site is live in seconds. No setup, no coding beyond your website files, and no server management. WordPress takes longer to set up. You will need hosting, install WordPress, choose a theme, and possibly install plugins. However, once it's set up, managing content is easy through its visual dashboard. Features and flexibility. TinyHost is designed for static websites like portfolios, landing pages, resumes, and documentation. It's fast, lightweight, and perfect if your site doesn't need a database or advanced features. WordPress is far more powerful. You can build blogs, business websites, online stores, membership sites, booking systems, and much more using thousands of themes and plugins. If you need dynamic content or advanced functionality, WordPress is the better choice. Performance and maintenance. Because TinyHost serves static files, websites load very quickly and require almost no maintenance. There are no plugin updates or security patches to worry about. WordPress can also be fast, but performance depends on your hosting, theme, plugins, and optimization. It also requires regular updates for security and compatibility. Pricing. TinyHost offers a free plan for basic hosting, with paid plans adding custom domains, password protection, and more advanced features. WordPress itself is free, but you will usually pay for web hosting, a domain name, and possibly premium themes or plugins, making the total cost higher depending on your project. Final verdict. Choose TinyHost if you want the fastest and easiest way to publish a static website or share web projects online. Choose WordPress if you need a complete website platform with blogging, e-commerce, customization, and room to grow. It all comes down to whether you need simplicity or flexibility. If this comparison helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more website and software comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.